Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. I'll show you how to easily switch your Canva design from portrait to landscape. Click Create, then select Instagram Post. Choose the portrait design from the options. This layout is optimized for Instagram stories and posts, ensuring your content looks professional and engaging. Adjust elements as needed before sharing. Add the desired elements by dragging them onto the canvas, then arrange and customize their settings as needed. Select the Background tab, then choose this background from the options available. Click to apply it. This will change your project's look instantly, giving it a fresh new feel and style. To change the size to landscape, click Resize, then select Customize. Next, choose the desired width and height for the landscape orientation. Confirm your settings by clicking Apply. This adjusts your project layout accurately to landscape dimensions for better viewing and formatting. Save your changes when finished. First, hide the current view. Next, select the landscape copy option. Then, choose Resize. This will create another copy of the landscape. Use this method to duplicate and adjust the size efficiently. It helps manage multiple versions in your project. Click the Open button to access your selected file immediately. Here is our completed landscape design in the software now. Click to enlarge. Click the Share button to access sharing options. Select Download to save your file. To improve quality, increase the size before downloading. This ensures your download has the desired resolution and clarity. Now you know how to switch from portrait to landscape in Canva and subscribe for more quick design tips.